How to use the Novelah app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the Novelah application, and here is how to go about it. You must note that Novelah is an application that allows you to read free local novels, and here is how to use it. The first step is to download and install the Novelah on your device. After doing that, click on the device to open it up and create an account if you do not have an account created already. And then once you have an account created already and you're logged in, you will be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see by the top right corner, you can see a reward bag, and then you can see the different kind of novels that you can read on the app. And then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see five icons, namely home, ranking, invite, follow, me. Okay, so what you can see this, the next thing that you can do is to explore the features of this particular app. And then the first thing is that Novella offers a collection of exclusive and popular novels from local authors, and you can read them for free without any purchase required. And then you can see them here. All right, you can just check out the novels here depending on the ones you want, and then if you know their name. And then you can also download your favorite books and read them offline even without an internet connection. And then how do you download this? For example, after selecting a particular book, you can just decide to move to the top part of the screen where you can see three icons: the download icon, the share icon, and then three horizontal dots. So just click on the download icon, and then you have to select the chapters that you want to download one after the other. So if you're interested in downloading all of the chapters, just go ahead and select it, or click on select all by the top right corner of the screen. Click on download, and then if you have enough points, you can download it, but if not, you won't be able to download all of the chapters. So for you to be able to download your favorite books, ensure that you've gotten enough points. And then how do you get points? By inviting your friends. Move to the lowest part of the screen, click on invite, and then by the time you invite more people, you would get more points on Novella, and then you can download as many books as you want. And then you must note that Novella has a wide variety of genres, such as romance, action, horror, fantasy, others. And then by the top right side, you can see a plus icon. By the time you click on this plus icon, you can also select languages of this. You can select language or languages. Okay, you can select multiple languages on Novella. That is why it is so beautiful. As you can see here, I've selected about six languages already. But if you want just one, you can leave it the way it is. Click on save, and you are good to go. And then by the time you click on the me option by the lower right corner of the screen, you'll be taken to your account. Here you would see your points balance, you'll see all of your friends, your reading history, etc. So this is how you can use the Novella application. It's very simple to use. Ensure you have a nice time reading books on it. Thanks for watching.